So you can also use the trim paths technique to a circular stroke. So to do that, you need to create a circle first. So here on your shape icon, click and hold and choose ellipse tool. Hold Control, Shift and Alt, and then click and drag at the center to create a constrained circle coming from the center, right? Then something like that. Adjust the stroke, let's say this thin. And then when you go to contents, add trim path, and then just animate the trim path again, just like what you did on the line transition. So end 0 on the 12 frame, end 100. Then animate the start 0 and the 12 frame, and then 1 second start 100. Okay. Then press F9 to graph editor, adjust the values, something like that. Check if it looks good, it's okay. All right. Then you have a circular path or a circular trim path. Next thing I need to do is duplicate this so that I fill the whole video. Okay. So to do that, Control D to duplicate. Then what I'll do is I'll just scale it up, make a thicker stroke, adjust the color for this, duplicate, put this at the bottom, scale it down, change the color again to something bright. So let's say something like purple. Yep. No. Yeah, pink. Yeah. Duplicate again, scale it down. Then adjust. I want something light. Duplicate again, scale it down. Thinner stroke. Make this blue there. Duplicate again, scale it down. Scale it down. Thicker stroke until it fills everything. Place it at the very bottom or the back of all the layers. Change this to something that color, a different color. So I have something like this as of the moment. Then I'll just continue working on duplicating shapes until I fill everything. Okay. So duplicate, scale, there, scale, stroke width, lesser stroke width, then duplicate again, scale, put it at the middle, lesser stroke, there, scale down, I'll make this darker, there, okay. Then I'll just create a few accents, so Control D, scale down, make this white, place it on the very top, thinner strokes because it's just an accent, there, Control D again, scale it down, to create an accent here as well, and here as well. Okay, so I have something like this. So right now you have something like this, okay? Then what I'll do next is I'll change the direction of the other circles so that it rotates clockwise. So right now it's rotating counterclockwise. So I want the other circles to rotate clockwise. All I have to do is just open the scale for this. So I'll randomly choose an object. So for example, this one, the white accent, open scale, click on the constraint icon so that it unlinks. Add a minus symbol on the horizontal value, which is the X value, so that it rotates on the other side. Okay, do it on the other layers as well. Just choose what you think would work or would look cool if it rotates on the other side. Okay, so just continue until you feel that everything looks good. Yep. Minus. There. Minus. There. So now, right now we have something like this. Okay. I think the purple and the pink needs to rotate So I'm gonna rotate this one there. So, yep. And then this blue thing here. Oh, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So, now that we have this transition, so it looks like this. Okay. We need to offset everything. So again, press U to show the keyframes for start and end. And then I'll offset it 2 frames forward. Okay. Now that we're done, let's check the animation if it looks good. I think it looks okay. And we have a transition. Next thing you need to do is highlight everything. Press Ctrl-Shift-C. Recomp, circular transition. Name it a circular transition. Click on OK. And now you have another transition. Alright, so try creating your circular transitions. And once you're done, you may proceed to the next video to learn how to apply those transitions to your videos.